Hi guys and welcome back. So I'm going to be looking into the successful altcoins that we've been trading for the past week or two. So backstory, altcoins haven't really been doing anything because obviously they've been slammered, hammered, you call it, it's just been rug pulled. They kind of lure people in to trade, and all of a sudden when they start to buy, short sellers come and just dump on them. It was just more of a manipulation game. Nothing at all based on technical analysis, but more about who can get scammed the most. That's how I felt like it was. So I steered away from altcoins and I started to focus on stocks, where stocks were absolutely blissful. So right now, crypto has been starting to move a little bit, and I'm just going to look into this and see which ones are actually authentic plays, because I don't want to be piling in money and all of a sudden get slammed on. So right now I've called Epic. Epic has been one of my top trades that I've been looking into for such a long while. I think it's been months for now. Called it in multiple different areas. I called it 25 cents. I called it at 30 cents. I called it 70 cents. Anyway, right now it's exceeding $1, which is the key area I wanted to see. The moment it exceeds $1, I know immediately. The moment Epic or any altcoin exceeds $1, it means it broke the most significant resistance, psychological barrier, which is that $1 mark. And then hopefully it will start to run. This is exactly what's happened. But look at the printing of the chart here, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Like, look how it just is gorgeous. I don't want to be calling patterns right here because I don't believe patterns really work on altcoins, unfortunately, because I feel like they're all manipulated. It's an unregulated market. But what I can definitely tell you is I'm looking at different supports and resistance levels. So the minute we broke above 70 cents, which was what another signal that I've given out, literally started to run, because that is the resistance, right? Because that is a resistance. This is where it broke down from. So obviously 70 cents is a key level to look out for. And then it started to run. Now it's 64%. But what I love about this is that not only are we getting three soldier candles, or white soldier candles, like we're getting momentum. We're getting higher highs and higher lows. And that's the key factor here. Every single candle has opened above the previous one and then above the previous one. That's excellent sign of that. Yes, this is momentum, and it's going to keep going higher and higher and higher. Right now, all I can see it is going towards $4 and $5, and this could be another trade similar to Sui back in the days. Similar to Sui, I don't see anything like I see this even hitting double digits. To be honest, this is one magnificent altcoin. Now, let's look at the other altcoins. I've done 100% on Biko in 2 days. And let me give you why I've done 100% on Biko in 2 days. Now, so Biko has given me, on the 3 months, it has given me a beautiful doji. Look at this doji. Can it be any more perfect? Beautiful doji, okay? What I liked about it is that the 3 months opened green. So that was my signal, because look how many months it's been red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months of just 6 times 3, 18 months of just being literally red. So when I saw a green happening afterwards, I knew that this was going to continue to go higher. And that was exactly what I wanted to see. Now, what I see right now is that this altcoin, sorry, my stocks are beeping and I'm looking at them because it's getting to my head. Just give me a second. Let me look at my stocks. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of those notifications on my stock page. Okay. Sorry, guys, to be distractful like this. Okay, so I'm seeing, like I said, a green that's happened after 18 months of just going red. And that's an excellent sign, because we're seeing a reversal. Not only that, we got a doji. Perfect. Now I see this on the smaller time frame, which is even better. I'm seeing a consolidation happening. It's been happening since March of 2026, March of this year, and a consolidation happening at the same range. So I knew a breakout was imminent. I knew a breakout was going to happen. And then I called it in, which is so easy. And yeah, and immediately I put in my EMAs, obviously, and I called it around 24 cents. 24 cents. It's over 116% right now. And that's in just 2 days, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The idea here is to look at the 6 months time frame, which was excellent to see, because I'm seeing a reversal happening after so many months of red. Then I'm seeing a 3 months candle that's also showing me that the doji is oversold right now. And then obviously we're seeing a consolidation happening 5 months, 5 times, 5 months of just consolidation at the same range. I knew a breakout was imminent, so I called it to my students, and we're up 114%. Now let's look at the same thing happening here. Now, I am seeing another opportunity is Hemi. Now, Hemi is another opportunity I'm looking at. The reason being is because look how many months of 1, 2, 3. 3 months, 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 months of just being red. And all of a sudden we're getting a green, which is a reversal sign. That's one. Let's look at the 6 months. From current price to all-time, not to all-time high, actually to all-time high would be 300%. If we're just looking at the candle body, we're not looking at the wicks, it's 300%. So it's easy push up to the all-time high again. So this is why I see this as an opportunity for a big win. Then I'm looking at it from a weekly perspective. Now look how beautiful these look like. Let me just remove everything and look at it for the very first time, guys. Look how gorgeous this is. Not only are we seeing consolidation ranging at the same area, so the area of demand was around 0.004, and then every single time it hits resistance at 0.0049, it comes down. So it's been ranging at this level for so many weeks, guys. And all of a sudden we got a massive breakout from this ranging pattern. Obviously, when you get a breakout, you know a continuation is going to happen. So this is why I'm suggesting this one to my VIP group, and I know it's going to go on a run. Now let's look at everything else. So now let me look at on. So on, guys, I've recommended it also. This one was a massive winner, guys. This literally continued to run like crazy. I called it to my students at 288% up, guys. This is insane. When I tell you it's insane, like it's insane. It was so clear, crystal clear. So we saw consolidation happening around here, like I mentioned again, and we got a breakout on the monthly. So consolidation and then a breakout. So obviously, when a breakout happens from a long ranging area, we know a continuation is going to happen. So look at this, guys, and it's up 274% right now. So I know for a fact that I'm looking at consolidation breakout. So that is my identification criteria. What is breaking out on a consolidation on the monthly time frame? So let's look at, for example, let me give you. Let's look at, for example, like Enna. I'm just picking these guys at random, guys. I don't have anything planned. But I can definitely tell you, even though the volume is low, but I can definitely tell you that, okay, so the 6 months, I'm looking at the 3 months, I'm looking at the monthly here, and I'm looking at the weekly. Okay, which I like, because obviously we were seeing dojis and then a push up and then doji again and then it's a push up. So it's in the building stage. So Enna, for example, here is in the building stage. How do I know that? Because, guys, we're seeing plenty of these dojis, and dojis means there's like that fight between the bulls and the bears. So when there's a fight between bulls and the bears, that means it's building. It's starting to build. There's a fight that's brewing right now. So it's in a building phase right now, but I won't be surprised at all if I see Enna go on a massive run. I mean, just to go up to the previous level, it's 179% win, and then even higher towards the $1 mark. That is nearly a 900% mark, guys. And I'm telling you, it's so easy to be making money on altcoins right now, specifically if you're going in with smaller capital. So you go in smaller capital, you diversify across all these undersold, oversold stocks, and that's it, crypto tokens, and then that's it. But remember, guys, we're not seeing all of the altcoins go on green. We're seeing some of them that are in red as well. So be careful, okay? Because they're not all in green. But what I can definitely tell you, for example, is that if you are looking at the monthly time frame and you're looking at consolidation patterns and a breakout, you will be making money. That's how it is. That's what the pattern that's playing out right now. It's the consolidation on the monthly and then a breakout. Let's look at other ones, see whether there's more that I could even look at. So nope, I'm not seeing much. Saga probably because of the doji. Yeah, Saga probably as well because of the doji. But still, it's in mega consolidation, and there's so many red weeks and months, guys. This looks scary to me. So I will put that on the sidelines, but I wouldn't say no for now, you know. But what I want to look at is something that's similar to Biko, which is basically, let me show you on the 3 months, something that's giving this kind of shape, okay? A massive doji on 3 months and followed by green. That is my identification criteria. Like, this is the reason why On was doing so well, because we got a doji on the 3 months. Anyways, guys, this is my crypto take. Obviously, guys, we'll have to wait because we've only had crypto move for the last 2-3 days, guys, and we're gonna have to give it more grace and let it move and prove itself to us, and then hopefully we'll trade more with bigger capital. But for now, my suggestion would be to be diversified into smaller positions, into multiple different altcoins. Make sure they get a breakout. Once the breakout happens, you can capture them, make profits, and then you can circulate again and repeat the same process. Anyways, I hope this was helpful, and take care and ciao ciao. Bye bye.